Okay, so we are going to be taking a look at this scansion practice using Poem 1. We're going to be working on different line numbers, and the line numbers are to the far right. And these are the things that we talked about a while ago that we're going to focus on. So a vowel followed by two consonants is going to be long. We're also looking for long A's, long E's, long O's, long I's, long U's, all of those things. We're looking for elisions if a word ends in a vowel and begins with a vowel, or ends with a vowel, begins with an H. We're going to worry about the M later. And then we're looking for our patterns of long, short, short, and long, long. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to work on line number 2. So line number 2 is this miratur portas line. Okay, now we need to talk about QUs. Y'all see strepitumque? We are going to mark out that U because it's a KW. So that U doesn't count. So do you see any more QUs? I think that's the only one in that one. Okay. Now, the last foot has to be long, long. The fifth foot has to be long, short, short. So we're going to go backwards. So y'all see we arum. So there's an I, an A, and a U. Okay. So our sixth foot has to be long, long. So that U has to be long. And that A is long. See how it's got that long mark on it? So that's our sixth foot. Our fifth foot has to be long, short, short. So we're going to go backwards. The I is short, the A is short, and this A is marked long. So that's our fifth foot. All right, now we go to the beginning. We're looking for elisions. So we're looking for these ending vowels, okay? R is not a vowel. S is not a vowel. E is a vowel, and the next word starts with an E. So guess what we're going to have to do on this one? We're going to draw a little swiggle, and we're going to mark out the vowel to the left. T's to S's do not elide. A's to V's do not elide. So now we're going to go left to right. Okay, so this I is marked long. The A is marked long. That automatically gives us that pattern of long, long. Remember the patterns, okay? Now, so see how the U is followed by an R and a P. It doesn't matter if it's separate words. So a U, R, P makes that U long. An O followed by R, T is also going to be long. So that's our second foot. That A is long. It's just marked long. This E followed by a P and then an I is probably short, which means this I has to be short. I, T, U, yeah, there's no reason for it to be long. So that's going to be our number 3. U, M, Q. U, M, Q, vowel, consonant, consonant makes that U long. E, T, S. E, T, S makes that vowel long. So then that's number 4. And then we have 5, 6. Okay? So miratur portas strepitum quet strataviarum is what that would sound like. So that is number 2. So now let's take a look at line number 5. And I'm going to use a different color ink. We'll use red. So 5 is this pars line. So we're looking for elisions. S's to O's, no. E's to L's, no. M's to T's, no. O's to E's. O, a vowel to a vowel, mark out to the left. T to a C, E to a S, and we're done, okay? Any QUs? Any QUs? Any QUs? Nope. So our 6th foot has to be long, long. So that O is marked long. ULC, see why that would be long? ULC, ULC. So that's the 6th foot. 5th foot has to be long, short, short. So going backwards, we do short, short, long. And that's the 5th foot. Now we go to the beginning. Pars, A-R-S is long. O-P-T is long, 2 consonants. Are, that's marked long. E, short. O, short. U-M-T, U-M-T makes that long. E-C-T, that's long. E-T-C, E-T-C makes that long. O-N-C-L makes that long. And that's the number 4. Okay? So now we're going to work on number 6. Let's use blue. This first word means laws, like jurisdiction. So we're going to make this I a J, so it doesn't count. A's to M's, no. We're looking for elisions. Ooh, I see a QU, mark out the U. E's to L's, no. T's to S's, I see another QU. E's to S's, no. And then we're done, so no elisions, okay? 6 foot has to be long, long. The A is long, U is long, 6 foot. Long, short, short means we have to go backwards. Short, short, long. Why is that U long? Why is the U long? U, M, Q, vowel, consonant, consonant. Then we go to the beginning, okay? This U has to be long because of our patterns. Both of the patterns start with a long one, so this one is just going to be a long sound. A is short, A is short. I-S-T-R, I-S-T-R, that's multiple consonants. The A's marked long. The U's marked long. E-L, E-L, that's probably going to be short. And then that's going to be short. U-N-T, U-N-T makes that one long. A-N-C-T makes that one long. And then we have the 4th foot. Okay? Hopefully y'all are starting to see the pattern. It's just like funky little math. And then we're going to work on number 8 together. Let's change color again. So line 8 is the fundamenta line. So we're looking for elisions. A's to L's, no. T's to A's, no. I's to I's, ooh, I to I. Mark out to the left, so just that last I. I see a QU, E's to C's. So now our 6 foot has to be long, long. The A's long, U-M-N makes that one long. 5th foot has to be long, short, short. So work your way backwards, short, short, long. Go back to the beginning. U-N-D makes it long. The A's already long. E-N-T-A makes that long. The A is short. The O is short. A-N-T makes that long. Short, short. I-M-M makes it long. The A's already long. And you mark it. Okay? So that works about 4 lines. So I'm going to clear this out. And we're going to do a couple of lines where there's an M ending, because it's totally different. And then I'm going to let you work on some practice. Okay? So we're going to work on lines 7. No, we're actually going to work on line 1. We're going to work on 1 and 4. Okay? So let's take this off. So let's work on line 1 and line 4. Okay? So looking on line 1, R's to M's, no. Ending M, beginning vowel. You know, y'all see the I? All right? So we're going to align this. We're marking the vowel out to the left, so we have to mark out the E. Okay? That's the tricky part. S's to M's, QU. So now we're going to scan long, long. Short, short, oops, short, short, long, long, long. URM, URM makes it long. The O's already marked long. The AE is long. Remember, that's a diphthong. The E is long. Long AS, long A, and that's number 4. The tricky part on that one was that elision with the M. You're having to suck out the vowel to the left. Okay? So now let's work on number 4. Number 4 is the Moleri Quay. I see a quay. E to an A. E to an A, vowel to vowel. Mark out the vowel to the left. Ending M, beginning vowel. Mark out the M and the vowel to the left. T to M, S to S, E to S, and we're done. Now, remember what I said about X being double consonant. So it makes that A long, and this A is long. Okay? And then 5th foot, short, short, long. Working our way backwards. The O is long, the I is marked long, the I is marked long. A-R-C, A-R-C makes that long. E-T-M makes that long. Ma-ni. Bus, U-S-S, U-S-S makes it long. U-B-V makes it long. And we are done scanning. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I want you to try scanning the other lines that we didn't scan together. You've got an answer key, and email me and let me know how you're doing with this funky thing called scansion. Talk to you later. Take care.